Good morning, happy Friday. My name's Kasona. I'm a third year neuroscience major here at Georgia Tech, and today I'm going to be doing kind of like a college weekend-ish in my life. I have a kind of busy weekend today. It is Friday right now, and I'm in a rush, which is why I'm talking super fast, but I want to show you guys my outfit because, you know, it's getting cold, the weather is dropping, and so, you know, my best fits are coming out. So real quick, I'm wearing this, like, Sherpa hoodie thing from Gap. I'm wearing these leggings from like Marshall's, TJ Maxx. I was wearing some white Nikes, and I am in a rush. I have to go to office hours. Well, like, I'm gonna host my office hours, whatever. So I am rushing. We're moving. It's Friday. It's currently like 46 degrees outside, and I'm currently loving the weather. I wish I wasn't so ashy because your girl did not put lotion on her hands. I should expose myself right now. I am so ashy. I'm at the library. I need to do some work, but look. I'm so ashy. I'm sitting outside and I am just waiting for a friend because I'm gonna do homework with her. So I'm kind of just chilling outside. I picked up my new book bag. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's just this Under Armour one. Nothing special. Oh. I just got it on Amazon. I just need a book bag. I could not keep up with the tote bag life. And I will check in when I'm doing something more interesting than sitting outside. My goodness. Look at Danya's apartment. It is so cute. Like, oh my goodness.
We're doing our best.
Yeah.
We're trying.
Yeah, I feel that.
We need to add some lights and all that fun stuff.
Sign my name. I don't even know where to sign. I can't even. This is too hard to look at this and do it. Oh my gosh. Did I take up too much?
No, Nico literally told me, he was like...
So I don't know if I want to do homework anymore.
Just gonna stay here.
Just gonna stay right here. This is actually really comfy. It's like jean material, but it's soft.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're welcome to move in just like right there.
Wait, what do you mean?
You can stay here. This is your...
Oh, no. I'm probably gonna have to get up to do real work. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
You can live there.
I think Danya has a little olive oil addiction. She 1 bottle, 2 bottle, 3 bottle, 4 bottle, 5 bottle. And also Danya is the sweetest human ever. She made me cookies, made me tea to go. Get you a person like Danya. Wow. Oh my goodness. Megan's working hard for making bulletin boards. Health and wellness.
Hardly working.
Oh, no. I'm putting in my 2 cents. I cut that order. It's gonna look great. We'll come back when it's done. Health and wellness is the goal.
The next social media influencer.
We can try, honestly. Catch me. Our bulletin board is now done. Wellness. Take what you need. Megan, you did so great. We did so great.
Okay, so you know.
We did so great. Hey, I stapled all those pamphlets on there. I helped staple the bulletin board. You took so long because you were like, what's it called? You're OCD with the little
It looks
line.
good though.
I wanted to slap that thing on.
It was showing up here the silver. And
just...
then your pamphlet, like it had like 2-inch spacing here, and then like 4 inches before this one.
Look, you just slapped that thing right on, and you know, it's done. It's done. Okay, but it's cute though. I like this. What's up, peeps? I just finished making a bulletin board. I'm a RA, basically in college. So this was our first ever bulletin board. We just got bulletin board, so we tried. Yes. So I'm just gonna. Long day. It's like 5:47. I'm a little hungry from when I had lunch, but I think I'm gonna go work out really quick and then eat and then go study because I have a really busy day. Tomorrow I am going to my sister's white coat ceremony, which you guys will be seeing because there's some surprises that are gonna be happening. Okay guys, so it is now dinner time and I have an ever luxurious dinner of. For dinner I have some salad, this kale mix that I got from a bag, some grilled chicken, the toppings from this, I think it's like sunflower seeds, cranberries, some like citrusy orange dressing. And yeah, I'm gonna eat this, drink some water, chill a little bit, and then homegirl has to do homework because sis is packed next week. Sis has tests, sis has papers, sis has a lot, and I have to go down to Augusta tomorrow Good morning, happy Saturday. Today is my older sister's white coat ceremony, so we're going down to her med school and we're gonna go see her ceremony. We made some food, etc. It's gonna be like a little party, and yeah, just let's see what everyone's doing. What are you doing? What's up, Kana? This is Kana. She's the little one. She's not doing much. Oh my goodness, awkward. No one wants to be bothered, so let's go bother my dog. See what she has to say. She's not coming down though. Sadie, do you have anything to say to your mommy who brought you to the house? Tail, wag, wag, lick, lick. Thank you. So it's like raining outside, so I don't want to stay outside too long, but something we're surprising her with is she's getting a new car. I don't want to show you too much of where I live, but yeah, we are surprising her with a new car. So I'm gonna film her reaction. It's gonna be so exciting because, you know, my family, we're not the best at surprises, so this one we really pulled off. Somebody gotta use the restroom before we leave. Come on, this way. This way. It's cold. Me too. We arrived safely to Augusta. This is the white coat ceremony. How do you feel? You're getting your white coat.
You know,
Tell us.
I've earned it. They have made us work for it. A couple tests and several quizzes later, a little bit of hair loss. I'm stressed.
Yeah,
I'm ready. You know, I'm just ready to get it. You know, it's time.
It was a long drive, you know. I'm just so happy we survived though. Oh no! Look, we passed 2 car accidents. This is like 75.
Stop.
Oh, yeah.
What?
Oh, the air mattress. Sorry.
I know, right? If you're going to Cameroon,
I didn't even say that. Every time she says something.
How powerful are they? Super powerful.
It's because it like what's it called? Like
It folds up,
deflates.
yeah, it's automatic. And it was comfortable. I didn't wake up till Kuna called me.
Anyway, soya, dodo, chicken, stuff.
Yeah.
We started.
I know when I called you and you said you were 100 miles. I said, oh, she's 2 hours left.
We all started at the same spot. Mom got 8 miles in front of them. 8 miles.
So they're not coming at the time. I thought y'all were coming at like 11:30, 12:45. Y'all got here 30 minutes early. And you didn't get stopped by the cops, but there's a lot of police out right now.
There was, and there was a lot of car accidents.
Yeah.
Watching Black women YouTube pages.
Come on, Kuna. Tell us.
Hi guys, this is a get ready with me. Like
Your hair is gorgeous, by the way, though. Wow.
Thank you.
Oh,
It's a
her
get ready with
curls.
me video as I get ready for white coat. And that's what they do in those videos, right?
White coat, get ready with me.
Exactly.
Yeah, essentially.
So,
Wow.
you know, I'm just trying to fill in these very nicely done eyebrows. I
Pay
will tell
attention.
you,
We're learning.
Beauty and Beyond here down in Augusta. There's not much here, but at least their eyebrow place is hidden. Are you telling me my eyebrows aren't looking good? You know, I'm just trying to fill in, just to make sure they look a little bit more.
All right.
Defined.
We'll get back to you when we have left. We have done more things than this.
This is enough.
Contouring for the first time. Okay.
You know, I see the people do this thing, the line in the middle.
Okay,
And
Kuna,
then-
make sure you go light because you can always add
Get
more,
darker, yeah.
but you can't take off. So
Okay.
be a little bit more conservative.
What? You can't even see this
That's probably not the dark one, is it?
espresso.
That is a little light, but it's all right. It's
I'm
better
not
than.
going to return it.
Does it go darker?
This is the darkest shade in here.
Well, just use it right now.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you could use your your darker
Do you see
foundation on
this?
top.
Hey, Rihanna, we thought you had us.
I know. This is so...
It's not that bad, Kuna, though. Don't trip, though. Don't trip.
My mother called, see me on TV, said that it don't change. Ever since I was on, I heard it all. Ever since I was young, there was no friend, and jump another Bentley. And I know it's dramatic, but you know I gotta have it. For the money, I'm a savage. Yeah. Whoa.
Wait, you're joking.
Do you have anything you'd like to say to your daughter?
Congratulations, Kuna, for this very hard work. I know it's very difficult, but it's the end that matters. There is light at the end of the tunnel for you. So, stick in there and keep pushing.
Wow, that was good. You want to say to your daughter?
I love her so much. And I'm so proud of her.
It's like a second I love you so much. I'm so proud of you.
Kuna, you're the GOAT, the greatest of all time.
I flew here, I missed my flight. I'm ready for you to be my doctor to deliver my babies, okay?
I'm so proud of you so far. I can't wait to see what you do next. Good job.
This is so sweet.
We love you.
Kicking?
Thank you. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Hi, Jen. Thank you. Miss K, you know how we found you because of you.
Really? You look for her head?
Yeah. Look at her face.
Where do you want to go? Outside?
Yeah.
It is raining, but we're still doing pictures. Oh my gosh. She looks so cute.
No, wait, let me hold it. Y'all get the no, Granda, you
I should be taking pictures.
Oh, wash your hands and start coming in.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it's heavy.
Y'all got a video camera. I see her video camera. Y'all can't hide anything from me.
Can you go? Can you help and get something out the car? What the hell?
What?
Go the car!
It's raining. Yeah. It's raining. Okay. Wait! What is that? What? Oh my gosh! Wait, you're joking. You're joking. Wait. Amber just. What is this? What? Oh. What? Oh my god!
Is this what you expected?
No! I did not expect it! I saw the car outside. I said, wait, I don't believe. That's a rat! What? Oh my god, I'm about to get in my new car! My new car!
Kayla, so why you gotta be so negative, girl?
I want to show my car!
Oh my god, let's go. It's raining.
Thank you. Wow. Y'all really, I was sitting there all day long. I heard the son say, Party City. I said, what surprises are going on?
So wait, you didn't expect it?
No, I did not expect it. I was like, oh, y'all gonna bring me a cake and some balloons. I saw the balloons that said bet cake. Surprise figured out. That's all y'all kind of said, oh.
You remember in the car when you were like, oh, we didn't
And
get
you
it.
were like, I'm fine.
Yeah.
We were talking about a car. You were like,
When you were like, oh, we just didn't get the car that we wanted, and we all
oh.
went at the same time.
Y'all are bad.
Really bad.
Wow.
She's changing or something. Wow. And she, the whole day, like, when she heard, because I was on the phone with Kana, and she said Party City, Kuna's like, you can't surprise me. I got y'all all figured out.
What's going on?
I saw something out there. I saw you with your camera said she recorded, not just for her video. And I see y'all all credited. Y'all know I see everything. I didn't see that. Wow. Thank you. Y'all eat. Y'all have got to eat. Oh, I have to play. Who prays? I'm just kidding. Let me get this ready. I'll pray. I go to church now. I was really about to say. Well, Dad, thank you. I thank Father. Thank you before we pray and all those things. Thanks, Dad. Thanks, Mom. Y'all are great. Oh, wait, I want that picture.
It's done now, girl.
It's too. You want me to recreate it?
Yes.
Oh, boy.
Hug your mother. Okay. Your mother. Wow. She tried dog testing you, real. so excited.
Okay, let's pray and eat.
Please.
Okay.
In the name.
No, everybody's Catholic.
You don't know.
Okay, you
What is okay. This
I can now post this till I finish the silver skin.
Are you wearing mom's perfume? You smell nice.
And clean.
Woo!
I should have done the acapella group, y'all.
Goodness, that killed me.
Oh, yeah, I know. Look, you saw Tyler, right?
I'ma
The
eat
very
that.
end.
Okay guys, what's up? We are back from my sister's white coat and we are both very tired. And we're gonna go to sleep. Well, I need to go do some work and then go to sleep. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys liked, make sure to comment, subscribe, like. I don't know, my brain, it's dead. But yeah, bye.